This question actually gives us a little bit preview of module number 6 when we talk about normal distribution or bell-shaped distribution. Let me scroll up. The bell-shaped distribution is also what we call the normal distribution. And we are going to use the empirical rule to make some predictions. There's something very special about the bell-shaped distribution. So if we have a probability distribution, then everything under my distribution, this entire area under the distribution should be 1 or 100%. And also we know that if this is the mean and this is one standard deviation to the left and this is one standard deviation to the right, I'm going to use a different color. Then this area, this is one standard deviation, and this area covers 68% of the entire region. And this area, it was 2 standard deviation away from the mean. So this is 1 standard deviation to the right and 1 standard deviation to the left. And this is 2 standard deviation to the right and 2 standard deviation to the left. This area from left to right will be 95%. Now I'm going to use yet another color, so hopefully it won't get too confusing. So this is 3 standard deviation to the right, and this is 3 standard deviation to the left. The entire area, this gray area from left to right, that covers 99.7%. So the question asks is, okay, for a 4-unit class like statistics, students should spend average of 12 hours studying for the class. A survey was done on 20 students, and the distribution of total study hours per week is bell-shaped with a mean of 14 hours and standard deviation of 25 hours. So let me summarize that information. So the mean, actually in this class we use X bar, is 14. And the standard deviation, in this class we use S, is 2.5. Now we know that 68% of the students are covered by this area within 1 standard deviation of the mean. So we are going to take the mean and subtract 2.5. So that will give us the left boundary. And that is 11.5. And I will take 14 again and add 2.5, and my answer is 16.5. I'll do the same thing for the next level, that is 95%. I will take 14 and subtract 2 times 2.5. So that will give me 9. And 14 plus 2 times 2.5, that will give me 19. Last one, 99.7% of the students are covered within 3 standard deviation of the mean. So we will take 14 minus 3 times 2.5, and that will give me 6.5. And 14 minus 3 times 2.5. That will give me, oh, this is plus, forgive me. And that will give me 21.5. So I'm pretty confident that 99.7, that is pretty much everyone in this class, spent somewhere between 6.5 hours and 21.5 hours on this class. This is the end of my recording, and try this out yourself.